Great afternoon. My name is Nishad Dere and this is my model of heart. As we all know that our heart consists of four chambers, the upper two chambers and the lower two chambers. The upper two chambers have thin walls whereas the lower two chambers have thick walls. The upper two chambers are also called collective chambers and the lower two chambers are also called distributary chambers. The upper two chambers are called collective chamber because it collects the blood from a body, and the lower two chambers are called distributary chambers because it distributes the blood in a body. The upper two chambers are called atrium and the lower two chambers are called ventricle. First we are going to know the term deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means the blood in which oxygen is absent, and oxygenated blood means in which oxygen is present. The deoxygenated blood from our upper body enters from superior vena cava to our right atrium, and the deoxygenated blood from our lower body enters right atrium through inferior vena cava. The deoxygenated blood collects in right atrium, further moves towards our right ventricle. Right ventricle has thick walls because it pumps the deoxygenated blood towards our lungs for oxygenation through pulmonary arteries. The oxygenated blood comes again to our left atrium, moves towards our left ventricle. Left ventricle has the thickest wall in the four of the chambers because it pumps the blood towards our whole body. The blood moves in thick vessels called arteries. These vessels are thick because the blood pressure is very high. Further, they are converted into capillaries. Capillaries are thin vessels about 5 to 10 microns, which make sure that the blood reaches the each cell of a body. Further, the cell obtains the oxygen and the deoxygenated blood comes again to our right atrium through thin vessels called veins. And this cycle goes on continuously, and this is our septum, which divides the deoxygenated and oxygenated blood from mixing. Thank you.